Hi, I'm Rahul Gupta, founder of Robok Labs, where we help small and medium sized businesses and startups bring their electronic ideas to life. Whether you want to build your first hardware MVP or redesign an existing product, today I'll walk you through exactly how to turn your idea into a working, testable product, step by step. Most entrepreneurs and small business owners I meet have a great idea. Maybe a smart sensor, a custom controller, or a new automation device. But then reality hits. They don't have an in house design team, they're not sure where to start, and they get lost between PCB freelancers, manufacturers, and testing requirements. The result? Wasted time, wasted money, and no working prototype. Let's fix that. Everything starts with clarity. Step 1, define your product's goal and technical requirements. Ask questions like what problem does it solve? What are the voltage, current, and communication needs? Will it run on battery or AC? Do we need wireless connectivity, Wi Fi, Bluetooth, LoRa, or something else? Make a list of all the features required in a product. Getting this right means your design will scale later without redesigning from scratch. Next comes the schematic, the digital blueprint of your idea. This is where we choose the right components, run simulations, and ensure everything can be sourced easily. At Robok Labs, we always prioritize parts that are available globally and can scale to mass production, not exotic components that go out of stock after a few months. Step 3, build a working prototype and test it thoroughly. This is the most exciting part. It's where the design leaves the computer and becomes something you can actually hold in your hand. We begin by taking the circuit design, the schematic, and converting it into a PCB layout, which is like drawing the actual map of how copper tracks will connect each component. Once that's finalized, we send it to one of our prototype PCB manufacturers who can make the first few boards, often within a couple of days. When the boards arrive, we carefully assemble the components, sometimes using a soldering station by hand for small runs, or using automated pick and place machines for precision. After assembly, we power it on for the first time. This moment tells us a lot. If the board behaves as expected, we proceed to functional testing. If not, we troubleshoot right away using tools like a multimeter, oscilloscope, and thermal camera to locate any faulty connections or design tweaks needed. Next, we check how signals are flowing through the circuit. Think of it like making sure every conversation between chips, such as the microcontroller, sensors, and communication ports, is clear and stable. We test this by probing the board under real operating conditions. Then we measure power efficiency and temperature, making sure voltage regulators, converters, and chips stay cool and within safe limits even when the system is under stress. At Robok Labs, we also make a feature checklist. Every function we planned in the design stage is listed clearly. Then we test each one individually. For example, display, sensors, motor control, or communication modules. Once they all work alone, we test them together because sometimes features interfere with each other when they run simultaneously. We record all the readings, note any improvements, and mark issues that might appear during longer tests, like heating, noise, or unexpected resets. These tests transform an idea into a proven, reliable prototype, not just something that turns on once, but something that can handle real world conditions. That's what gives founders and small manufacturers the confidence to move to the next stage, production. Step 4, refine and prepare for manufacturing. This is the stage where most projects fail because they skip DFM, design for manufacturing. We optimize the layout, choose the right connectors and housings, and ensure compliance with safety and EMC standards. Once that's done, you're ready to scale, whether you're building 10 units or 10,000. At Robok Labs, we've helped design and deliver over 400 commercial products across robotics, automation, EV systems, and industrial electronics. Every project starts small, with a single idea refined step by step into something real. That's exactly what we help you do. If you're a startup or a small business with a hardware idea and you want to see it working fast, this channel is for you. Subscribe for practical, real world electronics design insights every week. No buzzwords, no hype, just design that works. Thanks for watching and welcome to Robok Labs.